From NASA's sample collecting mission to solar eclipse, here are this week's 7 most interesting space news. Number 7. NASA's Mars sample return mission. NASA is gearing up for one of the most challenging missions ever attempted, bringing samples from Mars back to Earth. This mission, called Mars Sample Return, would be the first to return samples from another planet and could revolutionize our understanding of the red planet. NASA's Perseverance rover is currently collecting samples from an ancient river delta on Mars, which are believed to hold clues about the planet's early evolution and the potential for ancient life. Number 6. Upcoming spacewalk. NASA astronaut Steve Bowen and UAE astronaut Sultan Al Neyadi will perform a spacewalk on April 28th to install new hardware and prepare for upgraded solar arrays on the International Space Station. Sultan Al Neyadi will become the first astronaut from UAE to do a spacewalk. This spacewalk is scheduled to start at about 9:15 AM EDT and will last about 6.5 hours. Number 5. New discovery of Earth's water source. Where did Earth's water come from? Scientists have long debated this question, but a new study suggests that the planet itself may have produced its earliest water supply. Water forms as a natural byproduct of all the chemistry that takes place, and this homegrown water supply would explain Earth's uniqueness in the solar system. Number 4. Breaking the laws of physics. Something in outer space is breaking the laws of physics. Ultraluminous X-ray sources, or ULXS, are so bright they break a physical law known as the Eddington limit. This neutron star, called M82X2, regularly exceeds this limit by 100 to 500 times. Scientists are puzzled, but new observations from NASA's NUSTA telescope show that the intense magnetic field of the neutron star may be changing the shape of its atoms, allowing it to bend the rules. This is the beauty of astronomy, where we wait for the universe to show us its secrets. Number 3. RHESSI spacecraft re-enters into Earth. NASA's RHESSI satellite, which studied the Sun from 2002 to 2018, is expected to re-enter Earth's atmosphere on April 19 or 20. The RHESSI satellite studied solar flares and coronal mass ejections, recording over 100,000 X-ray events during its mission. While most of it will turn to ash, some parts could survive. The risk to people on Earth is low, but this highlights the growing problem of space debris. Number 2. Deadly X-ray threat to Earth-like planets. Astronomers have found a new danger to Earth-like planets located more than 100 light-years away. The dense gas around an exploded star can produce intense X-rays that reach nearby planets months to years after the explosion, and may last for decades. This intense exposure to X-rays could trigger an extinction event, altering the atmospheric chemistry and leading to the demise of organisms. And finally, number 1. Historic hybrid solar eclipse. On April 20, 2023, we have seen a rare hybrid solar eclipse. The eclipse was visible from various locations, including Western Australia, East Timor, and Indonesia. Sadly, if you missed it, then you have to wait until 2031 to see it. That's it for now. Join us next week for more space news and updates.